Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some invalid value for registry error when opening a photos in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your start menu and go to your settings of Windows. After that go to your apps. After doing this tab, click on apps and features and scroll down and find out Microsoft Photos. Now click on it. After doing this tab, go to your advanced options. After doing this tab, scroll down and click on a reset. Click on a reset. After doing this tab, it's required of a few seconds to complete the process, so I just wait it. Okay guys, now after that close this. After doing this tab, open any window, any photo. Now you can see that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.